Hi guys, I'm Divya. I'm a first year at Seattle University studying both computer science and business, so double major. It's like one piece of advice I would have to give is like no matter like how hard like a question or just like anything life gets, like don't give up. Like I know a lot of you guys today were like, oh, like the class test, it's so hard, like I don't know what I'm gonna do. But it's like it's okay, like it might be hard because like you guys are still young and like you still have like a lot to learn. Like throughout the years, like it'll get easier, and just like continue trying, like continue pushing yourself. It's like, yeah.
Nice. Alright, hi everyone, my name is Vibu and I'm a third year computer science major at Cal Poly San Luis Obispo, and I'm also working part-time at Amazon. Um, I think they pretty much covered advice from an Agoura math perspective. I could shed some light on, you guys are much older than the last class, so I could probably, when you get to college, like, I guess, join clubs, all that stuff is important, but in reality, if your goal is to get like a good job or get into like a top company for working, you have to just try to make as many connections as possible. Um, grades in your classes, they matter, but what matters more at the end of the day, depending on your goal, is, learn how to make connections, learn how to communicate well. Um, Without that, no matter how smart you are, how knowledgeable you are, um, being able to talk to people is really important. So, yeah, I think you guys are doing great. Otherwise, just keep it up.
Hi everyone, my name is Vibusha and I'm a first year computer engineering major at UCSD. I was a senior intermediate instructor for the last 2 years, and then I did senior beginner, senior intermediate, senior advanced here at Grammatical. So I understand the pain of going through the final exam and putting in 2 hours of homework every week. And I know that grammatical is really hard, but genuinely I think it's taught me one of the most important skills that I still use in high school, college, and just my everyday in my everyday situations. It's problem solving, because when you're given a challenge, you're not always given the right steps to a solution. You don't know what the final answer is going to be, and so you have to put in creative ways of trying to solve the problem, divergent thinking, and basically just pushing through really hard, tough times to get to your final goal. And I think that's what Agoura Sabbatical teaches you ultimately. Is even if you don't get the best scores in this class, or even if you don't do the best on the final exam, that's not the point. It's learning about how to solve these problems. It's gaining that experience so that when you are given these challenges in life, you're not scared by it and you have the confidence to complete it. And so just stick with Agoura Sabbatical. Always push yourself and try to do challenging things in